Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your ChildCare account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, open up a browser of your choice and then search for ChildCare Account Login. Then select the first link of gov.uk. Then scroll down a bit where you can see a sign in button. Click on it and just simply select Start Now. That will take you to your sign-in page where you need to enter your government gateway user ID and your password. And once you've done that, simply select the sign-in button. And that's how you can log into your childcare account. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Also, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.